Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talking about this detail, as you see, just graphics display options and also say detail level. Okay, drawing detail level. As you see, there is a drawings. Each drawing apply in view template on your left side in properties palette. I want to apply in detail level course each and every plan view as in also in sheet view. Okay, so if we change go to this one of the plan view in view template architecture plan. If we change as display model detail level course, the view template name is architectural plan. Every plans apply in architectural plan, sum of plans in apply in architectural plan. So if we change this course to fine and also visibility model display, just edit button, click edit button and change the style, say shaded. Okay, then also in okay. After change this parameter, we will see in each and every element convert to hidden line to shaded mode, and also in detail level is convert to fine each and every plan where view template apply in each and every plan in architectural plan. So we see if we any kind of any other plan open this plan, we will see this shaded mode apply in each and every plan. It is not so fast if we apply in Dynamo. So how to do this? Let's find out. First of all, I just Control Z on your keyboard, back to this view. First open Dynamo. First of all, open a Dynamo. Go to Manage, click Dynamo, Visual Programming Panel, Manage Ribbon tab. Oh, by the way, I already use in Autodesk Revit 2024.2 version. So there is a Dynamo. This new, click new. First of all, we have to find out collect the views. Okay, so select, right click on this screen, click right in categories, select, pick these views, and now all elements of category, that connect this category to category, and we will see there is a lots of view already created in this project. We have to find out there is no error in this list. As you see, there is some null list containing each and every list. So we have to differentiate from this view. Okay, we have to filter this null to do so. So just write this null. You have to apply this null is null boolean node. Just connect these elements to this object. So we will see there is some true result shown in this list. So after apply this object is null boolean node. Now filter it, filter by boolean mask. Click connect this element to this list and boolean node to this mask. There are two steps. In list is null and out list each and every view collect in this list. So we have to there is a lots of view, many types of view type contained in this list, such as view template, views, okay, legend views, okay. So we have to filter again and differentiate from the view and collect the view template. We have to apply in view template to this apply the view template in each and every parameter. So okay. Now view is view template is view template needs to be view template is view template. Just connect to this in out list to this view. There are some view template contained in this list. Now filter again, filter by boolean mask, and connect this bool mask and connect this out list. So view template is already separate in main list. Okay, so in list is a view template. So now if we change this, I need to go to this drawing view, plan view. I just show detail level shown in is coarse, medium, fine, and what is the parameter name, and also is display graphic display options. What is the parameter name and this graphic display options? We need to find out. We need to find out the parameter name. So if so this is the all element, view element. So parameter, find out the parameter name. So element dot parameter, element dot parameters, elements dot. So this is the right node, the parameters, element dot parameters. If we connect in list to this element, so as you see, if we connect this view template element to this element dot parameters in element input, we see lots of parameters shown in this list. So we need to find out what is the parameter. We have to change it. So actually display model architectural detail level. This is the parameter name. Detail level is the parameter name. Result is value is course. So if we, and also needs to find out okay, orientation, graphics display, model display. So there is no graphics display option. Okay, so we need to parameter value, find out the parameter value. Okay, so get parameter, get parameter value by name and connect this element to this element, and just write string in this code block, detail level. If we connect this parameter name to this name, so we have to we see there are lots of number, integer number in detail level, but why? We see the parameter result is detail level is course, but there is a shown in value is number. This is the parameter data type. So this detail level parameter data type is integer. So so this is the course is 1, so 0 1 2. This is the course is detail level course 1 2 3. Okay, okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so though this course is 1, medium is 2, and fine is 3. If so, just select this node. If so, we need to set this value, change this value each and every view. Okay, so set the parameter by name. Set parameter by name to automatic to manual, just for now. Connect this element, connect to this all elements. Parameter name is detail level, and the value is say just for 2. This is the value. If we see in this detail level, there is a value is course. Just see this 2 3. Just freeze this node for now. We have to find out the graphics display option. After create this solution, this graphics display option, then we will run this script. We will show the answer in both solution. So for graphics display option, change this wireframe in hidden line from shaded. I just write visual view display style, view display style in view Revit group, click this, and there is a lots of view style shown in this list. We need to we need to select this shading style and set this style. So set display style, set display style, set display style in view group. So if we connect this display style to this display and connect this view to this element, and now run this script, unfreeze it. I just save this. Minimize, just decrease this window and show this plan. This just run this script. So the view is convert to coarse to fine detail level, and also graphics display option hidden line to shaded or somewhere else, each and every plan. We show also in sheet view. So that's how we change, convert each and every sheet view and also views, graphics display option also in detail level in same time. Okay, that's it for today. I just show this script again. Okay, so this is it. We will see in next video tutorial. Thank you.